We're going to be making some sweet potato quinoa cakes. What we're going to do is we're going to take some sweet potatoes and we're going to have some quinoa. So I've got my quinoa measured out. It's already cooked. We're going to add in our Parmesan cheese as well over here. Our garlic. I've got fresh garlic. Fresh is going to be best just because it's going to have that punch that you're looking for. Then we're going to put in a little bit of nutmeg here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and mash up my sweet potatoes. So we have a nice mashed sweet potato here. And we can always kind of play around with, you know, seasonings and what have you. But what I'm going to do today instead is I'm going to add a little bit of fresh thyme. I'm going to mix this up. And I'm going to add just a little bit of egg to help kind of bind it a little bit more. I just don't want it too wet. And then I have my salt. We'll put in a little bit of our egg. I kind of cut it in half. Here's the fresh thyme I was talking about. Well, we're going to add this. So you'll notice I'm getting this really nice and fine. And I'm using the back of the knife to make sure that I really get a good chop on it. Kind of scoop that up. Place it right in there. So we're going to mix in that egg, the salt that we had added. From here, we want to sear it. So that's why it's super important to preheat your pan. I'm just going to kind of push it around. You can just kind of drop them in with the fork. Beautiful. They have this nice golden brown color. You've got that nice sear, so you can just pop them in the oven and finish warming them and then scoop them up. Beautiful, easy, quick assembly. So you can freeze these and kind of pull them out as you need them. Great source of protein and very versatile. So enjoy. All right, all right.